Exponential functions. A mathematical function in which an independent variable appears in one of the exponents called also exponential.
Reference point. A point used to find or describe the location of something, always greater than 0, never crosses the x-axis. Domain and range. Domain goes from the x-axis, is the distance from the starting point to the ending point, almost always to infinity. Range. Y-axis from the starting point to an ending point, almost always to infinity. Before the Chernobyl explosion, there were many other incidents that happened in this factory. Luckily, they didn't affect much Chernobyl, like the big explosion. Before the big explosion, this area was giant non-stop construction site. Also, family could come here and live in peace.
The Chernobyl accident. It was a catastrophic nuclear accident that occurred on 26th of April 1986. It was the only accident in history of commercial nuclear power that caused fatalities from radiation. The Chernobyl disaster triggered the release of substantial amounts of radioactivity into the atmosphere in form of both particulate and gaseous radioisotopes. It is one of the most significant of the international releases of radioactivity into the environment to up to the present. One example of real-life exponential growth is the population on Earth. The population keeps growing and not decreasing. Another real-life example of exponential growth is the growth of bacteria in the environment.
Created using Powtoon.